Globalization. It is comparatively a new term which came after the year 1991. So when we learn about globalization, this year is very important. And what happened in this year? It is a year in which India adopted the policy of liberalization. What is this liberalization? Policy of liberalization? It is nothing but removing or removal of trade barriers. Trade barriers. Then what is this trade barrier? It is restriction on trade. Restrictions on trade. It can be the tax, import tax is an example. Import tax, export tax is an example for that. Is an example for trade barrier. And here India removed trade barriers, and that is how we liberalized. So this is not a process which is initiated by our country, but it was a global process. It was initiated by WTO. What is WTO? It is World Trade Organization, and it is World Trade Organization who initiated the process of liberalization, and through that globalization came into being. So let us see what was the condition before 1991. So what is before 1991? What happened? Before 1991, there was trade between different countries. Trade was there, and trade between different countries came to be called as the foreign trade or international trade. International trade. Otherwise, it is also known as foreign trade. And in international trade or foreign trade, the commodities that were exported comprised of finished products, then foodstuff, or raw materials. So these three things were exchanged between different countries. That is international trade or foreign trade, comprised of these three things. And here we should recall what India or Indian trade consisted of. So we imported finished products. And we exported foodstuff and raw materials.